Alright, in this video, I'm going to disassemble an iZettle card reader, and the kind shop uses for payments. It's a small handheld machine where you insert your card, enter your PIN, and done, I guess. Let's take it apart. So, I'm going to open the box. Okay. This is how it's supposed to look like. Let's see if it actually looks like that. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, it's in Spanish. Okay. What the hell? Okay. I think these are just like what cards you can use with it, and also a manual. Oh, here it is. It looks really nice. Ooh, and here's like kind of a card. Let's insert it. Looks really cool. Okay. And here is like a charger for it, I guess. Anyways. So I'm going to disassemble it. Here we got the keypad, card slot, battery at the back. No obvious screws yet except for these two screws. Sorry for my lisp. Maybe there might be, no, there's no hidden screws here, but there's, no, these are no. These are the only screws, it seems. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a precision screwdriver and remove all the screws I can find, which is only these two. And once the screws are out, we're gonna use a plastic pry tool to separate the front from the back shell, and we're gonna work around the edges gently. And there's probably gonna be clips that if you just kind of like move them a little bit, it kind of like opens up, and then you can disassemble it, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm just gonna get to it. Okay. Alright, so let's unscrew this. Oh, okay. There we go. Alright, so we're going to use plastic pry tools to take this top part off, I guess. So, okay. Alright. See, there's like some clips. I don't know if you can see, and it's kind of how you open them. So that's what I'm trying to like find here. Oh, turns out there was two hidden screws here. So yeah, if something doesn't come off easily, it's probably because there's hidden screws around somewhere. So, oh my god, this is not coming out. Okay, so alright, let's take out the screw now. Okay. Yeah, I took off the sticker to make it easier. Alright, we got these two screws off. So, I'm gonna take this apart now. Alright. Ooh. There's the battery. Here's the battery. And it's connected over here. And here's the screen, as you can see. Ooh. Alright, so now that we open the casing and all the screws are out, we use the plastic pry tool to separate the front from the back shell, and all that. Now we're gonna assess the internals. Inside, you'll see the main PCB right here with the chip reader and the keypad contacts, all that. We can't really see much of it yet because we have to get to it by removing these screws. Here you can see the battery, and it's connected over here to the PCB in here. So I'm gonna see how I can remove the battery safely. There we go. Ooh, it's very nice. I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit pregnant, but I'm gonna remove it so then we can get and, you know, work in here, I guess. Alright, now that we remove the battery, let's take a look at it. Very nice. 3.7 volts. Okay. Nice. Alright, so let's remove these 4 screws and find any more screws that we have to unscrew to get in here. So let's do that. Alright, I'm gonna start with these. Ooh, this is too big. Let me get a smaller one. Let's see. Yeah, this one's fine. Alright. Let's unscrew these screws with my precision screwdriver. I got it on Amazon for like 10 bucks. Huh. Yeah, alright. Okay. Alright, now that you've removed the 4 screws over here, let's try and, okay, let's see how we're gonna open this up. Okay. Okay, wait, let me see. Alright, now that we're in here, right? Oh, we just take this out. Ooh, there we go. There's the main PCB. Ooh, okay. I see some resistors, some capacitors. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Looks really nice. Okay. So there's still some screws here that we're gonna have to get to. Alright, and I think, what is that? Is that the main board? I mean, sorry, not main board, like, CPU? Main chip? I have no idea. No, I think. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna unscrew these screws. Oh wait, before I unscrew these screws, I'm gonna unplug the screen. Let me just get my, okay, where's my tweezers to help disconnect the battery here real quick. Okay. Alright, now that you've unscrewed all these screws, I think you're just kind of like, okay, we're not gonna do that. just gonna take it out and okay. As you can see, there's this right? No, it was from the screen. Okay, there's two connections for the screen, and I'm gonna take this one out. Alright, now that you disconnected the screen, here's the screen. Very nice. Here are the these for the buttons. And here is, what's it called? The keypad contacts. Small display, and here is the connector, battery pack, yeah, and these are the keypad contacts, and then this is the keypad membrane, I believe, I have no idea. Anyways, so if you guys want to go all the way, we can unscrew these screws so we can disattach this PCB from whatever this is. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I think this is where this is the card slot. This is a card reader. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. Alright. Ooh, there we go. Just pops right off. Here's the battery, like the CMOS battery, I believe. Yeah, I can see some integrated chips. This is the card reader itself, and I guess this is kind of like a protective case, and some what are these called, like ribbon cables to connect here, so it can kind of all work. Pretty cool, if you ask me. Okay guys, this is basically the teardown of this iZettle card reader. We got inside, looked at the board, display, battery, and the card slot module. As you can see, super compact device. Hope you enjoyed this. Check out my other teardown videos, and I'll be posting way more in the near future, so please stay tuned.